Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. Today I'm here with another makeup video. Today I'll show you this beautiful smoked out winged eyeliner look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. First I'm starting by moisturizing my skin. For today's look, I want a natural glow on my skin. That's why I'm using NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator Gleam. And I'm mixing it with my moisturizer. And using a brush, I'm applying it all over my face. Now to color correct my skin, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer Green and Kryolan Orange Concealer 303. On my nose area and on my cheek, I got some redness. To diffuse that, I'm applying green concealer. Now I'm applying orange concealer under my eye area. And on my laugh line. And I am blending them all using my fingertip. For foundation, today I am using NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in shade True Beige. And I am applying this using a small flat brush. Today I will apply a thin layer of foundation, or else the foundation will hide all the shine of illuminator. For concealer, I am using Kryolan Supra Color Cream Concealer FS38. And I am applying it under my eye area. Around my nose, on laugh line, on forehead and bridge of my nose. Now I am blending this all. To fill my eyebrows, today I am using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Dark Brown. It has a spoolie attached with it. So first I am starting by brushing my brow hair. Then I am lining and filling all the gaps into my brows. Then using the same spoolie, I am brushing my brow hair thoroughly to spread the color evenly. Then I am cleaning the edges using the same concealer. To cream contour, I am using Kryolan Supra Color NG2 and I am applying it on my cheekbone, on hairline, on jawline and on my nose. Then using a contour brush, I am blending them all. Now to set this all, I am using Kryolan Translucent Powder TL4 and applying using a flat kabuki brush. To create this eye look, I will use sellotape. So first, I will take a small piece of sellotape. Then I will place it on the back of my palm and I will rub it properly. Thus, I will remove its stickiness, or else it will pull out the concealer. Now I am placing it on the corner of my eye. It will be guideline of the liner. Now using a blue eye pencil, I am drawing a line till mid part of lash line. For this eye look, I will use Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. Now I am taking denim using a pencil brush and smudging the blue liner. And I am going slowly towards my inner corner. Now I am taking the color Sky and using a small tip blending brush, I am blending the edges of the line. Now I'm applying pebble using a small tip flat brush just on my lash line. Then again I'm taking denim and smudging the line properly. And again using the color sky, I am blending its edges. Now I am taking off the sellotape. You can see how perfect, sharp, clean line I got. Then I will apply glitter on the mid part of my eyelid. I am using Miss Claire's loose glitter and I am applying it using a flat brush. Now I am highlighting my brow bone using the color from Makeup Revolution Contour and Blush palette. Off camera, I will add false lashes. Now I am tight lining my waterline using the same blue pencil. Now I am applying denim on lower lash line. And blending the edges using the color sky. Then I will apply mascara on my lower lashes. Today I will add false lashes on lower lash line. It is the same process as you add false lashes on your upper lash line. Now I am highlighting my inner corner and I am using the same glitter. Now to bronze my face, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Matte Body Bronzer in shade Dark Tan and I am applying it on my cheekbone, on jawline, on hairline, and on my nose. For blush, I am using this color from Makeup Revolution Contour and Blush palette. And I am applying it on my cheekbone. I am highlighting using the color from the same palette and applying on the temples of my face, on my nose tip and bridge of my nose. For lipstick, I am using PAC Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner Flirty Fuchsia and I am lining my lips. Now I am applying a lip gloss which will go perfectly with this look. So here is the completed look. Smoked elongated glittery eye look. You can carry this look to any party or any occasions. Sometimes I fell in love for my eye look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know how is this look. If you like this video then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.